Nakita ko ang ganda. Stig. So, magandang araw sa inyo mga parikoys. Daddy Yeng back for another vlog. So, I'm here now in Airport Express, heading over to Hong Kong Airport with a very good news, flying back to Manila. The thing is, as you can see, sa labas, ang init. Ang init, siguro more or less around 29 to 31. It feels like 34 yata dahil nga sa tutok ng araw ngayon. But the thing is, earlier, a couple of hours ago, I actually received a messages from Hong Kong's My Observatory app saying that there is a typhoon coming in. A low pressure area is building around South China Sea and should be expected to come in Hong Kong later this evening or tomorrow. Good thing about it, kasi palabas naman ako, iwasan ko, pero I heard that in the Philippines nag-uulan din, but today sabi ni Mrs. Hindi naman daw. So hopefully in the next few days I'll be working remotely plus doing some consultation as well. Sana maging okay. Nasa Tongchong area na. Naalala ko tong lugar na to. Dito kami naglalakad ni Roel. Paring Roel kapag papunta na kami nung aming trail, mountain trail. So ayun, ano nga yung sinasabi ko, ayun nga, yung hopefully yung next few days plus yung weekend activities namin, sana maganda yung weather para mas maganda yung maging weekend activities namin ni Mrs. So come join me guys, in the next ano oras ba? 3? 4? Next 5 hours. 5 hours kasi flight is actually 6 o'clock pa. Panintibi na airport kasi may instead of rushing to the airport after my meeting, doon na lang ako mag-meeting sa airport. And then, ang flight is 6. Most likely, we'll be able to reach around 8-ish. Pero of course, let's expect na medyo matatagalan. Ang plano ko is to go, spend time, kung mapapaga ako ng uwi, spend time in OFW Lounge in Terminal 3. Kasi yung last na week ko, a couple of weeks ago, I was there and pinamit ako ilang mga kababayan natin. And nakapag-anli lugaw ako doon. Sarap ng pagkakagawa ko ng goto. So that's what I'm looking forward to do later this evening. Plus, of course, during the flight, doing some reading, especially mga compliance materials. Plus, yung manonood sana, I downloaded a couple of movies, especially yung Terminal, tsaka yung Forrest Gump. Magre-reminisce lang ng mga magandang palabas. So, again, join me guys and join me in my journey going back to the Philippines. Again, sabi nga ni parang Francis, parang ginawa ko na lang daw Manila lang, Quiapo lang yung Manila. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye. Approaching airport in the next few minutes. So, nga pala, light packing lang tayo. So, isang bag lang muna tayo. And only a few things I brought kasi karamihan naman ng mga gamit ko sa bahay ay sa bahay. So, hindi ko na kailangan talaga mag-pack ng marami. Usually, mga pag-umuwi ako ng Pilipinas ay ang mga dinadala ko lang is pasalubong. But yeah, since I've been going in and out of the Philippines regularly this time, ano na muna siguro, lay low muna sa pasalubong. Kasi same thing na naman yung dinadala ko. So, ayun. So, for now, mainit mali yung pwesto ko kaya pala mainit. Parang feeling ko lang aircon. But yeah, I did instead of going straight from Central to airport using the Hong Kong Express, I went to Chingy first. So, I went to Chunwen line para makatipid ng konti. More or less, nasa 30 Hong Kong dollars din yung natipid ko. So, that's around, ilan ba? 70, mga 300, more or less. 300 pesos. Hindi na masama. Okay lang. Hindi naman ganun kalaki, pero at least para hindi naman ako nagmamadali kasi maaga naman ako sa airport. But technically, I'm still working. Still looking at my phones every now and then kasi nga kung meron akong urgently need ng attention ko. Pero most of the things that I need naman to do, I already completed. So, yeah, yun lang. So, we're here now in the airport. So, yeah, see you again guys later. Check-in muna tayo, mabilisan lang. I'll try something kasi hindi ko pa na-try ng without going to the check-in counters. I have my boarding pass already. So let's see if I can proceed and go inside already without anything anymore. Yung AirAsia pala medyo strict sila when it comes to the weight of your carry-on. So so far I only have like 7.3 kg and the last naman parang 7.4 yata yung bitbit ko. So let's see kung papayagan nila to. May jacket naman ako sa loob, so in case na need to lighten my carry-on, lalabas ko ng jacket. Problema ko talaga dito yung aking laptop, mabigat. So yeah, see you again guys later. Okay guys, good news, that worked. So if you don't have a check-in luggage and your carry-on, you need to make sure na less, around 7 kg lang siya. So you don't have to queue to go to that anymore. So nakapag-check-in ako. So I can go ahead and proceed to the immigration, which should be very fast since I'm a resident na here. So I just need to use my Hong Kong ID to scan and go past immigration, and then I can tambay na tayo sa boarding gate. So ayun lang. Ano pa ba? Other than that, let's go. So yun lang, life hack. Early mag-online checking kayo. If you don't have a check-in luggage, proceed with go na kasi immigration. Just make sure you print your ngayon, boarding pass. So, proceed muna ako kasi baka tingnan ako ng mga immigration officer dito. So guys, later. So overall yung pasok ko from Airport Express heading to the check-in counter, which I bypass, plus yung of course inspection sa x-ray machine and sa immigration was only less than 15 minutes kasi it's already 4:09. Dumating ako dito mga 3:45 yata, so it was very fast. So yun yung life hack. Ang next challenge ko would be looking for that boarding gate kasi wala pang naka-display, pero based on sa last na boarding gate was like 5:02 yata. So hanapin ko pa yon. Medyo malayo yon. So if I need to eat, like go to McDonald's, dito na muna ako kakain bago ako pumunta somewhere else. Okay? So yun lang muna guys. See you back again guys later. Okay guys, quick update. Nakita ka rin gate ko, 203. And there was a mini heart attack happened when I was about to go to the Hong Kong resident gates. So yung pinakamabilis, wala pang 2 minutes makakalagpas ka na doon. I couldn't find my Hong Kong ID. Yung usual na nilalagyan ko sa wallet ko, my SentinelOne EDR wallet that has RFID blocking na hindi naman. Anyway, wala doon yung ID ko. I took out my license, I took out my other IDs, pero wala doon, which is odd. I was using it yesterday when I was applying for a Visa card. Pero nung yung pagkatingin ko nun, wala. So medyo kinabahan ako. Tinake out ko yung other side naman, yung puro mga credit cards ko. Kunga muna tayo. Maga pa naman. So tinake out ko yung mga credit cards ko. Wait lang ah. So okay, so tinoke out ko yung mga credit cards ko and good thing nandoon siya. Nandoon nagtatago yung Hong Kong ID ko. So yun lang isa sa mga problema ko, makakalimutin na talaga ako when it comes to my stuffs. So yeah, ikot muna tayo dito. Look for something to buy as a quick pasalubong. And then if ever na meron tayong mabibili, pero meron akong target bilhin within AirAsia, yung nabili ko last time. So I'm collecting this, yung remove before flight na tags. Kita ba? Hirap pag phone lang talaga. No? Okay, meron na akong ito from Germany. This one from Vietjet. This one from Scoot. And this one I got from motorcycle show yata to. So hindi siya technically airport tag, pero sinama ko na. This one from Hong Kong Express and AirAsia. So ang inaano ko talaga was to get yung kala ko meron ako nung red na AirAsia. Yung pala Vietjet pala yon. So ang target ko today is to get AirAsia black and red tags. Dati meron si PAL and Singapore Airlines pero they discontinued that tag, so hindi na ako makabili. Pero naman mga parang fake yata online, pero ayoko naman yun. Parang gusto ko yung basta yung nasakyan ko ng aeroplano meron ako. Bad, unfortunately, hindi naman bad. Unfortunately, yung nag-travel ako sa US, meron sana nung sa United Airlines. Pero that time, hindi available o out of stock na sila. So, sayang, hindi ako nakabili. Pero parang United Airlines yung flight ko that time, parang out of stock. Yun, sayang. Hopefully kung maka-travel ulit and makapag-travel din in the near future going to Australia, makakuha din ako something similar. So yun, ito muna ako sa may not really lounge pero sa may fast food area after the immigration. Tatry ko sanang kumain dun sa Gordon Ramsay fast food something yun, if I remember it correctly, or I'll go with my initial plan to eat at McDonald's before going to the gate. So see you again guys later. Hopefully maging okay yung check-in ko given na nandoon na yung ano lang, hindi ako dumaan sa check-in counters talaga and I just use my na printed na booking. Yan, yun na yun. Kakalimutin talaga kahit kailan. No? Okay, see you again guys later. So, yung project ko to look for nail cutter fail. Hanap pa ako. Baka meron dito yung mga nagbebenta ng mga gadgets. Baka meron silang mga ganon. Anyway. See you again guys later. The nail cutter hunt. So ayun, umano na naman yung pagiging kuripot ko. Instead of going to McDonald's, I decided to go straight to the boarding gates. So I'm heading over to 203. Kausapin ko rin yung mga staff doon if I can still use the same boarding pass that I printed instead of going to the check-in counters. So let's see how it goes kung pasok ba yung ating life hack. So I'll let you know in a while. See you guys later. Okay guys, so if you're flying via AirAsia here in Hong Kong, either in and out, especially if you're going out, okay, Usually mga gates dito is 200 onwards. Like right now, 203 ako. So, pagdating mo dito, aside from Starbucks, napaka-limited din ng mga options mo para kumain. So, that being said, make sure pag bago pumunta rito, either nakakain ka na or hindi ka nakakain. Okay? Or you're willing to go to Starbucks given na mahal dito. Okay? So, yun lang naman. So, again guys, later. So, ayan mga pare ko. And dito na ako sa boarding gate. Boarding gate 203. Oh, ganda ng aeroplano. Kakalipad lang. So, my mission to look for nail cutter, hindi pa rin tapos. Meron pa naman siguro tayong 20 more minutes to pass. Siguro may mga kababayan tayo may dalang nail cutter. Bawal ba siya sa aeroplano nail cutter? Parang alam ko hindi naman yata. Kung keychain lang naman siya. Anyway, aside that, yung isa pang dilemma ko or mission is to pass the boarding itself, because like I said, yung hindi na ako dumaan sa check-in counters. What I only did is actually with my carry-on, which is around 7 kg lang naman din. With a printed boarding pass from my earlier check-in, online check-in. Sabi, I can go ahead. So, yun lang. Hindi ko pa natatry. Nalaman natin later kung yung life hack is legit. Dito rin naman ako sa loob, but hindi pa. So, pero, of course, nandun pa rin yung, nandun pa rin yung kaba and yung anxiety kung papayagan pa o hindi. Pero technically, based on doon sa nakaprinted sa boarding pass, you can proceed to your boarding gate with this boarding pass. So, technically, dapat pasok na tayo doon. So, see you again guys later. Another mission is to get the bag tags, the red and black bag tags, and hopefully meron pa rin sila. If not, marami pa ng pagkakataon, but yeah, hopefully I can get it. See you again guys later. Bye bye. Okay, so quick update. The printed boarding pass, my printed boarding pass doesn't work. So, good thing chinek muna before we go ahead and board. And I was asked to get it printed. So, nilapitan ko lang yung mga tao dun sa boarding gate. And then, they actually printed a new boarding pass for me. So, yun pala yun. So, now I know. So, moving forward, I know what to do if I'm only carrying my hand carry, and make sure that you're only carrying 7 kg and you can go ahead and do so. CR muna tayo bago, para hindi na ako tatayo mamaya. So, yun. We're able to pass na the boarding. Uy, lumipad. Lumipad. So, heading over to my seat na. Settling in. Just need to get my tablet. Sa akin na yung charger. Sa akin na yung aking power bank. And yeah. See you guys again later. Yun lang. Mukhang maliit ulit. So, one thing that I realized, yung mga maliit na aeroplano, nag-glide lang siya sa mga turbulence. Unlike yung malalaki, parang binabangga talaga ng hangin. So, yun. Mamaya ulit. Habang nasa loob.
Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage if smoke is present.
So, ayun guys, we are now here flying over South China Sea, I believe. Puro dagat naman yung nakikita ko. So, I took the same flight, same time, around 2 weeks ago. And although same estimated time then, which is 8:40 yung arrival, I'm hopeful that we will be able to land much more earlier this time, kasi unlike a couple of weeks ago na medyo may delay, like traffic something. But this time mas maaga kami nakalis, mas maaga kami nakapag-board, so technically we should be able to land earlier. Pero sabi ko rin kay Mrs., unlike before, wherein I landed, wala naman akong luggage din na to go early. So doon ako na mas maaga. Kakababa pa lang, mga 8:30 pa lang, pinalis ko na sila na paaga. So, this time, ang gagawin ko, sabi ko, 9 o'clock pa rin ako sunduin. 9 sila umalis ng bahay. And then, if maaga ako makakarating is magtatambay na lang muna ako ng OFW Lounge. I won't be eating dinner here. And I'll try to get my Anli Lugaw in OFW Lounge. So, yeah. So, 3 missions. Nail cutter, still, mukhang fail na yun. Alis na kasi ako. Second mission was to board the flight without checking in the check-in counters. That was a pass. So, one out of 3 na yung napapas ko. Last will be, of course, the two bag tags, yung remove before takeoff na bag tags. So sinabihan ko na yung flight attendant, si Eunice, that I want to get the red and the black. So hopefully we'll be able to get both or at least one. So those 3 missions, it's still up and running. So we're only like 35% out of 100 so far, and hopefully we'll be able to get at least 70% passing. So see you again, guys, later once I land or once there's something I want to talk about the topic. Bye bye. So I'm watching the Terminal as well by Tom Hanks. One of the movies I highly recommend. Na feel good movie siya. Same as Blindside, Shawshank, Forrest Gump. Yan. Ito yung mga movies yan. So, yun lang guys. Especially for like budget airlines like this, it's a really good thing to have something like a tablet for you to watch movies or something to read. So, things that will help get the time fly by. Ang galing, oh. Something you don't really see that often. Ito, tingnan mo yung jet stream. I don't know if you can see it. So, guys, good news. I get the black and red AirAsia remove before flight bag tag. So, out of three missions, I was able to accomplish 2 of that mission. So, just finishing my movie and going back to sleep. So, see you again, guys, later as I landed and once I have my lugaw. Bye-bye. So, mga pare guys, just landed in Manila and 15 minutes ahead of time. It's currently 8:30. And overall, the flight was really pleasant. No major turbulence. In 2 out of 3 missions that I mentioned earlier. Ayun, nail cutter, the boarding the plane without checking in the check-in counter, and the third would be the bag tags. So, yung nail cutter lang ang sablay. So, overall, it was really, really good. So, one last thing to do, go to OFW lunch, have my dinner, get at least 2 cups or 2 bowls of lugaw. Yung lugaw doon, meron na siyang mga itlog, like calamansi, and everything else. So, looking forward to actually having that. And since it's still 8:30, should be able to go out most likely before 8:45. Hopefully by 10 minutes makalabas na ako ng immigration and customs. I don't have a luggage anyway. So, paglabas ko, go straight ahead to OFW. So I'll just wait for Mama Bang. I told her to leave sa bahay mga around 9. So, yeah. Meron ako at least siguro mga 30 minutes to have my dinner. So, I'll see. I'll get acquainted with some of the OFW inside the OFW lounge as well, similar to last time. So, see you again, guys, later. So, I'm here now in Naya Terminal 3, heading over to ah, OFW lounge. Pero syempre tara muna tayo ng immigration and customs since I didn't brought, tama ba? Didn't brought any luggage. So, dapat mas mabilis to. So, yeah. Problema lang, hindi ko pa makontak si mama dahil wala pang signal. So, we'll try to call back in a few minutes after immigration na lang siguro. See you again guys later. So, the Lugao experience is successful also. Tingnan ko lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, as you can see, aside from Lugao, we were able to get a few chicken siomai and ube pandesal as well. So, kain na tayo. And again, our mission is successful. So, ano na to? Additional na lang tong Lugao experience na to. So, yan, sama-sama tayo. Kain muna tayo. Let's go. So, round 2 tayo. Sayang na ubus yung siomai. Pero pwede ba ito? May pansit ka naman. So ayun, nakapagpataob na tayo ng maraming plato. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ayan, dalawang bowl na lugaw, pansit, bali 7 pandesal ube, 3 siomai, at pang-4 na basong pineapple juice. So yun lang. Hintayin na lang natin si mama para doon ko na tatapusin yung vlog na to. So, see you again guys later. Doon tayo magtatapos. So, nakita ko na yung kotse. Dumating na si mama at naghihintay na sa akin. Ayun. Wait lang. Yun. Wait lang, hintay mo lang ako dyan. Palabas na ako. Hiningal-hingal pa. May itlog pa yung bibig ko. Mama! Ako magdadrive? Okay, so muna ako. Ako na magdadrive. Ano naman tong sundo ko? Ako pa yung pagdadrive. Yung ano ko, yung bag ko. Oh. Yung sa likod. Ay, sige pa. Sige. Mama.
Ano?
Ito. Ano masasabi mo? Nandito na ako ulit.
Welcome home.
Welcome home lang. Saan tayo pupunta?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Manonood kami ng... Saan tayo pupunta?
Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Hindi niya raw niya alam. Sige, sibat na muna kami. And dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. May sasabi ka ba? Shoutout ka muna. Wala sa shoutout? Ha?
Wala, hindi ka na.
Sa kami guys. Love you, ma. Bye, love you. Sipa lang kami. Bye-bye guys. Shoutout kay Iboy ulit and shoutout to everyone. Love you guys. Bye-bye.